BRAINCOM presents. Ever wondered why some people command respect wherever they go, while others struggle to be taken seriously? You see, respect is the cornerstone of our personal and professional lives. It's that invisible thread that binds us all together, fostering trust, promoting cooperation, and building meaningful relationships. Without respect, our interactions become strained, our teams crumble, and our ambitions fade into obscurity. But what is respect really? It's a recognition of the value and worth of others. It's about acknowledging their skills, their knowledge, and their contributions. It's about treating others with dignity and fairness, regardless of our differences. Now, this respect isn't handed out freely. It's earned. And there are 20 key ways to earn this respect, from showcasing honesty and integrity to demonstrating competence and confidence, from practicing empathy and kindness to asserting boundaries and maintaining reliability. Each of these ways is a step towards earning the respect we all desire. So, how can we get that respect we crave? Stay tuned to find out. First off, let's tackle honesty and integrity. These two qualities are like the backbone of respect. If you think about it, honesty is about being truthful, not just with others, but also with yourself. It's about owning your actions and words, being transparent, and not hiding behind a wall of deceit. Then there's integrity. It's about sticking to your values and principles no matter what. It's about being consistent, not just when the spotlight is on you, but also when no one is watching. It's about living your truth, even when it's not popular or convenient. You see, honesty and integrity are more than just words. They are actions, choices, and commitments. They are the silent but powerful messages you send out into the world about who you are and what you stand for. They are the invisible threads that weave the fabric of respect. Remember, your honesty is your crown. Wear it with pride. Secondly, remember that respect is a two-way street. To earn respect, you must first demonstrate it. It's about acknowledging others' value, their ideas, and their experiences. It's about listening, showing empathy, and validating their feelings. It's about giving credit where it's due. It's not about being superior or inferior, but about recognizing and appreciating the worth of every individual. So in your journey to earn respect, don't forget to show it generously. Treat others the way you want to be treated. Next up, competence and confidence, two pillars that make you stand tall in any field. Competence is about mastering your craft. It's about knowing your game inside out. It's about tirelessly refining your skills and constantly seeking to improve. When you're competent, you command respect. You become a person of value, someone others can rely on. On the other hand, confidence is the spark that lights up your competence. It's the belief in your abilities, the conviction in your decisions. Confidence is not about knowing everything, but having the courage to say, I don't know, but I'll find out. It's about facing challenges head-on, not shying away from them. But remember, confidence without competence is hollow, and competence without confidence is like a ship without a sail. They need each other to truly shine, so strive for both. Be confident, not arrogant. Be competent, not complacent. Now let's talk about the importance of listening. It's easy to hear, but truly listening, that's a skill. Active listening is about fully engaging, understanding, responding, and remembering. It's about showing genuine interest in other people's thoughts and feelings. It's about respect. Listening makes you open to different perspectives and shows that you value others. It's a powerful way to earn respect. So make it a habit. Practice active listening every day. Because when it comes to respect, remember this golden rule: listen more, talk less. Moving on to humility and accountability. Picture this: you're in a room full of people who think they know everything, and then there's one person who doesn't. That person is open to learning, to growing, and to admitting they don't have all the answers. That's humility, folks, and it's a powerful thing. Humility allows us to see our own limitations, to acknowledge them, and to work on improving them. Now let's talk about accountability. It's about owning up to your actions, accepting your mistakes, and taking responsibility for them. You see, when you make a mistake, you have two choices. You can either cover it up and pretend it never happened, or you can own it, learn from it, and grow. The latter option, my friends, earns respect. Why? Because it shows authenticity, integrity, and courage. So remember, humility isn't about thinking less of yourself. It's about thinking of yourself less. Own your actions, embrace your mistakes, and grow. Let's discuss reliability and dependability. You see, folks, respect is earned when you're the rock in the storm, the one others lean on when times get tough. Being reliable means you keep your word, And dependability is about consistency, showing up time and time again. It's about being steady, predictable, and trustworthy. This doesn't mean you're boring. Oh no, it means you're a safe haven in a chaotic world. Be the person others can count on, not the one they're counting out. Next, we have empathy and kindness. Two simple words, but they carry so much weight. Empathy, it's about understanding others, walking in their shoes, seeing their perspective. It's about relating to their experiences and their feelings. This understanding fosters a connection, a bond that can bridge gaps and mend differences. Now let's talk about kindness. It's about being considerate and thoughtful, about treating others with compassion and respect. Kindness can be as simple as a smile, a kind word, or a helping hand. It's a universal language that everyone understands, and it often inspires others to act likewise. Remember, being empathetic and kind doesn't make you weak. Rather, it shows your strength, your capacity to understand and to care. It's a sign of a strong character, of someone who's not afraid to show their humanity. And guess what? People respect that. They respect genuine, heartfelt kindness. A little kindness goes a long way. Finally, let's talk about assertiveness and setting boundaries. Assertiveness isn't about being aggressive or domineering. It's about expressing your thoughts, feelings, and needs in a respectful way. It's about standing up for yourself while still respecting others. Now, why is this important? Well, it's simple. If you don't respect your own boundaries, how can you expect others to? Setting boundaries is about understanding your limits and making them known. It's about saying no when you need to, without feeling guilty or apologetic. It's about prioritizing your well-being and not allowing others to take advantage of your kindness. When you're assertive and clear about your boundaries, you show people that you value yourself. You signal that you won't tolerate disrespect or mistreatment. And here's the kicker. People will respect you more for it. So remember, stand your ground, respect your boundaries, and others will too. So, there you have it, 20 ways to earn respect. Let's take a moment to recap and underscore the significance of each point, because after all, respect is not a commodity to be handed out, but a treasure to be earned. First up, we delved into the importance of respect. It's not just about feeling good or puffing up our egos. Respect is a cornerstone of healthy relationships, fostering trust and promoting cooperation. Moving on, we talked about honesty and integrity. These are the building blocks of character. They demonstrate that you're a person of your word, someone who can be trusted. Remember, respect is often born out of trust. We also emphasize the golden rule. Show respect to earn respect. It's a two-way street. We can't expect respect if we don't give it out ourselves. It's about acknowledging the value in others. And in doing so, we demonstrate our own worth. Next, we explored competence and confidence. These qualities showcase your capabilities and self-assuredness, which naturally commands respect. But remember, confidence without competence is just bravado. Then we touched upon listening skills, a subtle but powerful tool in earning respect. When you truly listen, you show that you value others' perspectives, fostering a sense of mutual respect. We also covered humility and accountability. Owning up to our mistakes, accepting criticism, and maintaining a modest view of our own importance are all key in showing we're human, we're fallible, and we're still learning. That's a powerful respect earner. Reliability and dependability, too, play a crucial role. People respect those they can count on, those who keep their promises and follow through. We discussed empathy and kindness, which show that you understand and care about others. These aren't signs of weakness, but of strength and emotional intelligence. Lastly, we tackled assertiveness and boundaries. Standing up for yourself and setting clear limits shows that you respect yourself, and that invites others to do the same. Remember, respect is earned, not given. If you enjoy this video, give it a thumbs up and share with your friends, so we can keep making them. For more videos like this, hit the subscribe button, and don't forget to click on the notification bell, so then you get notified of our next post. Also, to learn about many other interesting topics, be sure to check our other videos as well. Thanks for watching.